Sanibonani, ngithi anginivezele lapha kwethu. Nakho kuhle, imiphumela emihle. Iyona profit esiyenzile le njengokubona la ukuthi i-credit isuka from 290 rand. Shuthi bengina 290 rand bengiwufande in my account, then this is my balance manje. So i-profit that I made, ngiqale ngenza i-profit then ngavala because I wasn't sure about my trade ukuthi isendaweni right yini, then ngabuye futhi ngenze enye ngase ngithola le profit. So mase siyiphelele yonke iba ile profit ya 3000 njengoba niyibona nje from 290. Kuyenzeka abantu abowethu, kuyenzeka maqhawe izulu, kuyenzeka as long as u-consistent entweni oyenzayo, as long as ukwazi ukubekezela. Give yourself some time, ufunde. I-knowledge iyakusiza kakhulu. Grab that knowledge that you can as much as possible uzokwazi ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthi ube profitable trader one day. Angisho ukuthi mina sengiyi-profitable trader ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi sengiyakwazi ukufundisa abanye abantu ukuthi how to do it, but nakhe ngikunika kona. Give yourself time, nawe uzokwazi ukuthi ugcine ufinyelelile ekuthenini ukwazi ukwenza such profit. Bekezela kuzokwenzeka, bekezela kuzokwenzeka, bekezela kuzokwenzeka. Nansi, bekezela kuzokwenzeka. Check the date. Lot size was 0.05. I told you about this lot size ukuthi iyasebenza. Check ukuthi singayi mini profit engakanani, and ngivale manje kuseni. Mawucheck isikhathi la kimi u6:30 manje, and ngivale nini trading, ngivale nje just before kushaya 6. It was 5:40 just before kushaya 6. So yeah, bafowethu, ukuthokoza kuphela, ukuthokoza kuphela, ukuthokoza kuphela. I mean yeah, awukho engakusho bafowethu. Ngiyabonga, ngibonga nje uNkulunkulu nomqondo angipha wona. Ngiphinde ngibongele nani futhi enisazophiwa imiqondo efanayo, neseniphiwe imiqondo efanayo noma ningakayidiscover, but welcome.